Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number B8863A. Only 76,000 miles in this one owner. Local trade, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright silver metallic in color. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. And rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. With a removable privacy cover. And not only low miles, but very clean. It's obviously been very well maintained. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, again only 76,000 miles, cruise control, radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, dual zone automatic temperature control, heated front seats, and those power adjustable pedals, automatic transmission with electronic range select, and upgraded quadra drive 2 4-wheel drive system. Lots of storage in the armrest, spacious glove box with all the owner's materials, overhead auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee is a 4.7 liter V8, 235 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 20 on the highway, and approximately 50 to 60% of tire tread left. For more information on this Grand Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.